Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Royal Gourmet GA6402B 6-burner propane gas grill, a powerhouse for your backyard cooking needs. This grill boasts a total of 74,000 BTUs, thanks to its 5 main burners, a sear burner, and a side burner, ensuring fast and even heating across its 835 square inches of cooking space, perfect for hosting gatherings of 8 to 10 people with ease. The specialized sear burner delivers an intense 14,000 BTU heat for perfectly seared steaks, while the side burner is perfect for preparing sauces or sides, all supported by porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates and flame tamers for even heat distribution. With a one-button electronic ignition, starting your grill is a breeze, and cleanup is simplified with a removable grease tray and cup, reducing flare-ups and making maintenance a snap. The porcelain enameled lid resists rust and wipes clean effortlessly, ensuring your grill stays looking sharp. For precise cooking, the built-in gauge allows you to monitor temperatures accurately, and mobility is a cinch with 4 lockable caster wheels, which secure the grill firmly in place during use. So, whether you're a seasoned grill master or just starting out, the Royal Gourmet GA6402B offers the power, precision, and convenience you need for an exceptional grilling experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.